Hello peasants, we're back with a video. We're back with another tutorial on how to do this makeup and also how we did our photo shoot for the cosplay for Anastasia with my friend here who is named Ray. So you can follow her online, which is going to be right there. So,
ignore my dog.
Obviously she already has the makeup done because I was eating tacos, so we just really were behind schedule and had to get to it, so that's why you're not seeing me put it on her, but you'll get the gist of it. Let's just go for it. First things first, I used foundation from Get Flawless 8-in-1 Foundation, Femme Couture, and I used the Fair and I just put it all over her face, just kind of beat it on there. Next, I used this BB cream, the Fair one, and I just kind of put it under her eyes here because if you have eye bags, that means you're tired and ugly.
And I'm always tired and ugly.
She's adorable. Look at that face. We used this Wet n Wild brush that I used last time, but I used it for everything because I only used 3 shades. First shade that I used was this one right here with that same little e.l.f. palette I have. I put them over her eyes here, and then I used this color right here, this brown, and I put a little bit in the corner here. And then all I did for the top was use this right here for the shimmer, and I just put it right across here, and that's all I did for the eyeshadow. You're not like a found princess yet, you're the lost one.
That's Rapunzel.
No, you just got out of an orphanage, remember? Wasn't she a princess or was she a duchess?
I don't know how Russian politics work. Oh.
We're unprepared. This. Oh, more e.l.f. Little e.l.f. eyebrow thing here for her eyebrows. All I did was use the little brush inside there. I just used the dark brown on there, and then I used this brown right here for the reddish brown hue on her eyebrows. And for that I used this here, this little angled brush. I did her eyeliner, which I only did, as you can see here, I only did one tiny swipe on the side here to give it that kind of cartoonish effect. Did that on both eyes, and then I used this with some black eyeshadow, and I just filled her lines in right up in here. And then after that, we took our Revlon Dramatic Definition, and we did her eyelashes. We did not do fake ones because orphan children do not have fake eyelashes.
And I don't like glue by my eye.
And I have accidentally glued someone's eye shut before, so it's probably for the best. Where'd the other one go? Got it.
Aha.
So after all the eyebrows and the eyes, we went to here. I did this bronzer part, which I very rarely use, and I just lightly put it up in here to give it kind of a summery glow.
Even though it's the middle of winter?
Exactly. Because she had like this slight tan on here, but it wasn't contoured. It was just kind of a fresh, natural...
Like a baby.
250 Standout Remarkable. What kind of name is that? And I just very lightly put it on her lips, had her rub that in, and then we just covered the top part again, because the top part of her lip is darker than the lower half of her lip. Yeah, so that's pretty much how we did that, and then later on we'll just kind of get into how she created this outfit, which you will see later in there, and yeah. So we're here with Ray.
Hi!
And she... Jump. Look at how fab she is. Ooh, do that again with your hands. Holy mother of Quaker oatmeal. Have you seen run like this? There's a car coming. Did you see the driver's face? I did. My knee is cold. So now we're going to be talking about how she came to make and buy this outfit. And how much did it cost you total?
My estimate's probably 15.
Hat?
50 cents.
Oh wow. Okay.
It was a snap Like it's this front snapped here. I wrapped a ribbon around it to hide the snap on the hat.
Oh, you wrapped it around. Did you sew it in?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I put new leather on the bill to hide the snap down here.
Now the trench coat.
$6 from Goodwill.
And this was the inspiration for the whole thing?
The coat, yes.
Really?
I saw the coat and I was like, that is Anastasia's coat. Now I must make the rest.
I've never had that feeling.
I have that a lot.
Actually, with Taco Bell. So this outfit here, the dress that you were wearing in the video, where did you get that?
This yellow fabric I got at a thrift store that is now closed. It was a bed sheet. So I just got a plain golden bed sheet. Don't know who has golden sheets. Probably some rich person.
Probably.
Then this darker part was a skirt that I found with the hat. The sheet was $2, maybe $1. I don't remember. It was a while ago. The skirt would have been $2.
$2?
Yeah, it's quite a bit. Then the buttons I had. The belt I also had. I had gotten it for Captain Jack Sparrow a few years back. The shoes, or a pair of shoes I got in high school.
So never mind.
They were, I'm gonna guess, a birthday present. If it's over $10, I don't buy it.
So about the necklace.
The necklace I made last night at 10 o'clock.
Oh.
I took a bunch of craft foam and cut it into a circle and glued 3 sheets together to make the thickness, and then I cut it with a scissors for about an hour trying to get a rounded shape. And that did not quite work out.
It looks like a really sad cookie.
It is very wrinkly. Super glued it all together with Loctite because that is a miracle worker. I put together Finn's jacket from Star Wars with a little bit of sewing and a lot of Loctite super glue.
You use super glue?
I wasn't gonna sew through 3 layers of leather. I got the jacket at a Goodwill outlet, which is just a collection of bins, and you go diving into them to find stuff, and they charge by weight. So, Wilson's leather jacket, originally $600, I got for $1. Oh, and then I have black tights, which are fleece lined.
Oh, my eyelashes did pretty good. You look so freaking fabulous and flawless. I love it.
I never have, like, nice makeup, so this is fun. I am going to introduce this lovely lady to classic literature.
We're gonna go watch Jane Eyre.
Yes.
2006 version, correct?
Yes. With the lovely Toby Stephens.
Still don't know who that is.
He's a really good actor. He's hanging on my wall.
That sounds really weird.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll see you next time. Click the link.
You can see him right there.
No, that's Tom Hiddleston.
No, Toby Stephens is the tiny one next to Tom.
You almost went up my nose.
I know.
Pick your friends, not your noses, friends. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow her on Instagram. And my Instagram is already in there, so if you need to find that as well, it's there. So
Lots of links down below.
tons.
Because that's something I've heard YouTubers say.
That's something I said once.